Kangkong is one of the vegetables we eat here in the Philippines. It can be used in tinola, sinigang, adobo, and others. The one that I'm going to show you is the native ones, the upland kangkong, which grows on lakes, rivers, and other fresh bodies of water. It can be grown semi-aquatically or hydroponically. To start, you must use the fat ones or the thickest ones, the mature enough. Cut them and put directly on soil to make it grow faster. Another option is to place them on water roots for 3 to 7 days. At this time, we can also see some leaves growing, and that is a stage where we can plant them in direct soil. I use here a compost as a growing medium and some garden soil. Water gently once you have planted them, and for my experience, it grows faster if you water them 3 times a day. After around 28 to 30 days, your plant is ready to harvest, or just cut the leaves as it grows. Use vermicompost as fertilizer for this. Vermicomposting consists of droppings of earthworms, which are also valuable in your garden. I don't recommend synthetic fertilizers such as ammonium phosphate, urea, and potash because you're risking your health on it and it's inorganic. It is better to use rice water, what we call hugas bigas in Filipino. I will show you that on my next video or in another video. Choose the ones that are high in nitrogen. Hugas bigas has a complete macronutrients and micronutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, and others. I hope you subscribe and learn something new today. Always click the like in this video, and I hope you stay safe. This is Seth Cashel signing out. Bye bye.